Hi, Lou Manfredini, Ace's Home Expert, and in this video I'm going to show you how to fix those flickering Christmas lights. Alright, the very first thing to check when it comes to flickering lights is make sure that the actual light, the plug, is all the way inserted either into the extension cord or the outlet, whatever it is you've got it plugged into. If it's not all the way, if it's been pulled out a little bit, that's where you can get a little flickering because it's not making a proper connection. Many times, this will solve the problem all by itself. All right, inside this plug, there is a little door that says open, and I'm going to use this little utility knife to open it up. And you see inside here, there's two little fuses. And those fuses, if one of them's out, or maybe one's not making a good contact, that too can cause the flickering. These are replaceable, and you can use a little screwdriver or like this utility knife to kind of pop that out and check it to see if it works. You can do that by using a tool called a Lightkeeper Pro, and with this out, you can take this tool right here and you can test to see if this fuse is working. Now, see how the light went on because I put the test there? This is a good fuse. Test the other one as well. If that light's not on, you can buy these little fuses at your local Ace and replace it in the line. Another thing to check is every individual bulb. You see if it's not all the way in. You see how this one's just sort of not, it's on, but if something hits it, the wind blows or whatever it might be, many times it's just a question of pushing that bulb all the way in. And these become loose over time depending on the age of the bulbs. And this is true of both incandescent Christmas lights like these or LED bulbs as well. So it's a little bit laborious. You have to go through and check each one, but just make sure that they're all securely pushed into place. My video on how to use the Lightkeeper Pro tool to fix your Christmas tree is coming up next.